Now, the day the president has signed the ordinance to safeguard women's safety in the country, apathy over rape continues to shock and shame India. Fresh evidence in Kanker rape case in Chhattisgarh, where 12 minor girls were raped in a hostel, now raising questions if the government officials themselves colluded with the accused.
Tortured and sexually abused by their teachers for 2 years in a government-run hostel near Kanker district of Chhattisgarh. 12 tribal girls traumatized into silence, with fear, not knowing who they could trust. Now, more than a month after the horrific incident came to light, all the accused are behind bars. The hostel has been shut down and the students taken to another school. The villagers refuse to talk about the horrific crime committed by those entrusted with running the hostel for tribal students.
अब मैं तो नहीं जाना हूँ।
आप नहीं जानते हो?
हाँ, नहीं जाना।
नहीं, हम नहीं जाना।
तो अखबार में नहीं पड़ेगा।
नहीं, आपने अखबार में, टीवी में तो देखा ही होगा।
नहीं, मैं
कुछ नहीं जानते आप इसके बारे में।
But protests have broken out with activists demanding strict punishment for those involved in the Kanker sexual assault case.
36 हॉस्टल और ढूंढे हैं पूरे छत्तीसगढ़ के अंदर, जिनमें की सेम तरह की वारदात हुई हैं और ये सरकार उन सबको दबाने की कोशिश में लगी। तो हम चाहते हैं कि जो लोग भी इसमें संलिप्त हैं, उसके जो लोग पकड़े गए हैं उनके अलावा भी और सब के ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
बहुत गलत हुआ है जो भी हुआ है, गवर्नमेंट को एक्शन लेना चाहिए। ऐसे हॉस्टल्स बंद कर देने चाहिए जहां 11 गर्ल्स का एक साथ रेप होना।
Under fire, the Chhattisgarh government has arrested the accused and the officials named by the victims. But this is not the only incident in the state. Other incidents from the past of such horror and brutality have also surfaced. One girl was raped on the 13th of December by her teacher in the Dhamtari district, while another girl was raped 2 years ago by her teacher in the same district.
मेरी सहेली के यहाँ खाना खाई और दूसरी सहेली के यहाँ टीवी देखने गई थी और टीवी देखकर मैं बिस्तर पे लेट गया और अध्यापक ने मेरे साथ आकर बलात्कार की। शराब पिए थे और
The Jaliamari incident is just the tip of the iceberg. Many similar cases of minors sexually abused in hostels or raped by teachers have emerged from across the state, exposing a dark secret that has been going on for a few years now. The matter has taken a political tone, with the Congress accusing the Raman Singh government of turning a blind eye to these happenings and have demanded a fresh probe into all the hostels. Trupti Rani Mehta, Times Now.